What's happening, lovely FreeMelons? Welcome to the FreeMelon Society once again. I'm Martyr, as usual, and today we're going to just quickly show you a very easy and simple recipe that I made. And usually when I'm doing a bit of a treat for myself, I like to either videotape it or whatnot and just show you that these fun little simple meal ideas exist, and you can try them out and see how they work for you. Zoodles. Zoodles are a fantastic option for any aspiring raw foodist because they can be combined with all sorts of raw food sauces and all sorts of very interesting flavors that help to give us that conventional pasta look and texture and whatnot that we're all familiar with. So you're going to need some sort of spiralizer. I use a hand crank spiralizer by, oh god, I forget the name of it, Swiss or something? Oh, god damn it, rope's falling off here. I'll flash it on the screen for you, but you'll need a spiralizer of some sort. So for this recipe, all you're going to need are zucchinis, you're going to need a spiralizer of some sort, you're going to need some cherry tomatoes, and you'll need some dates. And that's about it. All you do is you spiralize the zucchinis in any way you want. The dregs that you don't use, you can toss into the blend. Oh, sorry, you'll need a blender as well, of course. Right, so you need a blender. So any of the extra zucchini that you can't use, that you can't spiralize, you toss into the blender. You also toss into the blender a handful or two of cherry tomatoes, depending on what consistency you like. And you also toss into the blender a small handful of dates. So you've got dates, cherry tomatoes, and extra zucchini riffraff. And you just throw that in the blender, you blend that up, that makes your sauce. If you want it to be more liquid, add more tomatoes and less dates. If you like the kind of thicker sauce, then whatever, more dates, you get it. You just play with it as you want. So for those of you who know how I eat, and you're saying, Eli, isn't that a bad food combining idea? It's not what I would typically eat, but is it a good choice for a raw food meal for the community? Of course. And I would have no problems eating it as a treat, okay? Anyway, with that satisfied, yeah, this is fantastic. It tastes amazing. It's a nice combination of sweet and savory, and that combination in the sauce makes for an amazing all-fruit pasta, essentially. Anyway, go try it out. Tell me what you think. You're gonna love it. Trust me, I know you're gonna love it. Doesn't matter what kind of food you eat, you're gonna like this dish. Yeah, I had fun with it, and hopefully you do too. Alright, thanks guys. Subscribe to the FreeMelon Society. If you like this video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. It always helps. And we will catch you next time on the next video. Alright, ciao guys.